all the boxes, all the projects. But that's always a good thing, right? That means goodies for the 240, goodies for the 240, goodies for the 240, projects for the 240, including gauge cluster stuff, and always more stuff for the Envoy and shit like that. But I swear I spend more time cleaning up Amazon boxes than anything. You can see we already jumped in and got the fan and the shroud off. Today means progress, and maybe, just maybe, a little bit of a reveal of goodies. So let's jump right in. Let's just take a minute to say knee pads, or knee, that's a pad, yeah. Well, it's not actual knee pads, but a big pad for your knees when you're 6'4" and having to work on a Slam 240. So much better. But I can see where the water leak was actually coming from. There's no RTV down here. They didn't have a gasket, so they made one with RTV, which is what I'm gonna do, but I'll do it a lot better than that because they just shoved that all in there and squished it. So razor blade that all out. There's a Nissan water pump. Oh, thankfully, Nissan Tacoma. We have our genuine ones. Get this open, realizing, did this come with studs in it? Probably didn't. So we'll be sealing those studs with the double nut technique. Get out of there. Or just make a new hole. It's so fun to unbox stuff one-handed. How do all these YouTubers do it? Ta-da! Oh, fancy. That's nice. But, let's see. Spin it. Nice. New. Pretty. There's old and busted. So definitely gotta steal these. And get that gasket surface all cleaned up. Maybe throw a little coat of paint on this. We'll see. Do this the right way, or the right way when you don't have a gasket. Nice B down there, but I'm just going to use my finger because my tube of RTV is all fucked up. Try not to sweep. That's an idea. Prettier, just enough. Slide around, make sure it goes in the groove. Nothing missing is ringing. Water pump in and tightened. We've got to get the fan and the shroud on, but we found something in the middle of getting ready for the oil change and swapping the O2 sensor. Let's see if it will focus. I do believe their O2 sensor was an issue. thankfully I have an AMX series laying around, and go ahead and throw that in. Watch when your dog walk by. Get all this reassembled back together. Get the overflow on, which will not insert into the firewall or strut tower. Go from there. Probably start it. Just jump into all this again. Obviously this is loud as hell, and I don't even know if this clip is going to come out good, but while I let this thing warm itself up a little bit, we go ahead and check for leaks. Only the water I spilled, which is okay. You guys will be surprised to see I actually gutted it a little more. I'm going to go ahead and paint the cage. Not really digging the tan that it got, so probably get some silver going again, some glitter or something. The old lady said she'd help, which is rad. But go ahead and fired it up. Idles at almost 45, 50 pounds of oil pressure, which is pretty good. 800 RPM, 600. And we'll raise that a little bit. Let's see. I think that one. No, that one. Maybe that one. One of those is supposed to do something. I gotta figure all this wiring out. I'm probably gonna go back to a stock chassis harness, but I might make use of the arc. I don't know. We'll figure that out. I'm gonna let this warm up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna make this side just a peek. Get that outside. Get the bumper on. Then hopefully do some rollers. And where did I go? It got all dark. It's here. Try this again. Was that 3 feet in and I popped the bumper off? Maybe I should have put the body kit on after I pulled out of my shooting alley. That's why I didn't put the KVD front on, even though it would have survived. outside and show you guys. Okay, front bumper time. I think it's just about perfect. I just stepped on a stick. So after that magnificent B-roll, you guys are getting to see the new Johnnies. 18.9.5, 18.10.5, 3-inch lips in the front, 3.5 lip in the back. Of course, VS KFs would be a good choice. I got them on a super good deal, some new tires on them. Could not pass that up. Had to jump on it. Drove forever yesterday. Had to blow out on the freeway in the old lady's car on the way home. And of course, that's why we did not get a video up. But screw it, worked a little extra today. Got the car running, got the car driving, drove it around the block. Now we know a little bit of brake line work, tune, and start just hammering it out. A week and a half. Park, Summerjam, the probably 24th or 25th, or both days. Now with the VS's, that makes all of these perfectly good spares. And we're gonna call today's video there. I'm gonna get cleaning, get ordering some parts, and get some food in me. I am tired. Like, comment, subscribe, let your friends know. We're gonna be doing big stuff, big time, real soon. Catch you guys on the next one.